everyone, welcome to Kitty Crew Designs. My name is Kathleen. It's been a while since the last full video. So today I am going to show you how to make one of these lovely bumblebees. So you're gonna be crocheting with me and I'm gonna take you step by step so you'll be able to make your own bumblebee. If you've been watching my short videos on YouTube, you'll be seeing a lot of my creations with crochet. I have all of them available on my Etsy store, Kitty Crew Designs, and also some cool resin pieces. So you could check out my store if you're interested in these products. And now, without further ado, let's get into the video for the crochet tutorial. I'm going to be using green today for the bumblebee. And all the yarn are size 7. And I'm using an 8 crochet hook. Alright, so the first step is to create a magic circle. And you're going to do 6 single crochet. Make sure you tighten it. Now the next row, you're going to increase the 6 single crochet and turn it into 12. So you're going to do 2 single crochet inside of each of the previous crochets. Okay, now we're in row 3. I'm going to use my stitch marker. In row 3, we're gonna end up with 18. So you're going to do 1 single crochet, the stitch marker, and then 2 single crochet in the following stitch. Alright, so now you got 3. You're gonna alternate until you're done with the row. So you're gonna do that 6 times. So 1 single crochet, and then 2. 1, then 2. Now we're in row 4. We're going to add the second color, and you're just going to do single crochet all around. So that's gonna be 18. I'm tying this where we made the switch so it could stay. So now row 5 for 7 are gonna be done in green. So you're going to join it again. And they're going to be 18 single crochet. Alright, so I finished doing the row 7. Now I'm going to add the eyes and do the other little features. So for the eyes, you're gonna put it in between row 2 and 3. Gonna mix this slightly better. You could find the safety eyes online on Amazon. Okay, now row 8 is going to be the secondary color, so I'm gonna switch to black again. This is gonna be the last black switch we're going to do, and this is gonna be at 18. One more time. Now going to switch back to the green. We're in row 9. Going to do 18 once more. Row 9 completed. For row 10, you're going to do 1 single crochet in the crease, and keep repeating it 5 more times. So 1 single crochet and in the crease. One more time, 1 single crochet and in the crease. So continue until you're done. Now once you're done with row 10, you're going to stuff your bee with polyfill. So you can find the stuffing at Michael's or Joann. Now we're going to go around doing only the creases because we're trying to close up the bee. So you use your tapestry needle to finish sewing the bee. Alright, so once you're done, you're just going to stuff it, the rest of the yarn inside. Okay, so body is done. Now, let's make the wings. I'm using white yarn for the wings. It's gonna only have like 2 rows. So you're gonna start with magic circle again. Do 6 single crochet on the inside of it. And you're gonna double it by doing 2 single crochet in each stitch. You're going to do a slip stitch, and now this one is ready to be sewed. Repeat it one more time, and then we'll attach the wings to the bumblebee. Now I got both wings. I'm going to sew it on top in that distance. So I'm gonna do it off camera, just for time's sake. Drum roll please. Ta-da! The bee is completed. Depending on how fast you crochet, this should take you about an hour to do. Let me know if you want more tutorials of small animals. Comment down below. For example, I did the small octopus that I posted on my shorts. Let me know if you want an in-depth tutorial for that one too. Like and subscribe so you could be on top of new content when I drop. And thank you for crocheting with me today. I'll see you beautiful people in the next video.